Hey everyone, we're looking at Facebook, and this has been pretty successful trade. We talked about a potential move toward the 90 level, and like 89 to 90 we felt would be the trade range where we'd start to see some significant resistance. We hit the high today of 89 and a quarter, and it had a very nice move up about 1% again today. So we did rather well in the last couple days. This is exactly what we want to be able to do on some of these issues, give you something that'll take a pretty good break. But in reality, it's way different than a stock that's cheaper and has a different kind of risk associated with it. You're not going to see that 30 to 40% return or even higher on those kind of situations. But I wanted to give some people some trading plays, and this was one of them. Facebook has done rather well here. For a while, it was really choppy, and then we really felt we were going to see, or I felt that we were going to see a nice breakout to the upside, and we did. So I really think that we have maybe one more day of this extension here. Maybe this may move to maybe 91, but I still think around this 90 range we're going to see some significant resistance, or could. I think that this makes sense to kind of trade it out around that 90 to 91 level, and wait for the pullback and buy on the pullback as it tries to come back into this, say, 85 to 86 level. But that's my my thoughts on it. And to me, it makes sense. It's had a very nice run, and I do think that as it kind of comes back into that level, we should start to see it find some support. Now, 87 should be a little bit of support, but if we get the break, I really think 86, it should hold that range as it tries to kind of come back. But that's going to be the pretty good support if you want to kind of stay with this a little bit longer. I do think that on the short term, we're getting closer to where we're seeing the extension of this. And just, on the side note, as you put the trend line here, you could see why we're getting closer to that range. And so I do think you could start to see this pull back a little bit.